Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look up at Crater Lake, the visitor center where the snow has been piling up over the last several days. Now the current snow depth up to 114 inches, and there's more on the way for tomorrow. We'll likely see an additional about 6 inches of snow as we'll continue to see some shower activity working through southern Oregon and northern California, and some of that rain and snow could be on the heavier side at times, especially along and west of the Cascades. Right now we're just tracking a few isolated spotty rain and snow showers across Klamath and Lake counties. Notice the Mount Shasta area, some good news, starting to see a bit of a reprieve from all that steady, heavier rain and the heavier snow we've seen up in the mountains. As we head off to the west, though, more widespread shower activity across Josephine and Curry counties, seeing some bursts of heavier rain in there as well. A pretty heavy shower just to the west of Gold Beach. In Medford, we've had a few raindrops, but nothing that's been measurable at the airport. We'll see more wet weather, especially along and west of the Cascades tonight, and then things become more expansive as we head into tomorrow throughout the region. We've seen some pretty gusty winds, sustained winds over 20 miles per hour in Klamath Falls, Montague, and Gold Beach. Some higher gusts in these areas as well. Winds gusting up to 31 miles per hour in Montague. Winds will start to come down a bit, though, as we head into tonight. Current temperatures 54 in Medford and Grants Pass. It's 42 in Klamath Falls, 49 in Montague, as well as Brookings. Overnight lows tonight dropping down to the low 40s in Grants Pass and Medford, down to 31 in Klamath Falls and 33 in Mount Shasta. We'll see those temperatures warming only into the middle 50s for the Rogue Valley tomorrow. It looks pretty damp in the morning, rain likely, and then we'll just see some on and off showers in the Rogue Valley as we head through the afternoon. Some breaks of sunshine expected as well. Snow levels will get down to about 3,500 feet tonight and then climbing up to about 5,000 feet tomorrow afternoon. So through your Wednesday morning, we will have some concerns through some of the higher passes of at least seeing some slippery roads. Not expecting any major travel impacts as wet weather carries through your Wednesday. Temperatures will be a bit cooler across the region. 45 in Klamath Falls for a high, 50 in Wairika, and getting up to 51 degrees in Brookings. Winds will be a bit breezy for the coast and then up through some of the higher terrain of the region. Notice most of the focus for wet weather along and west of the Cascades into tomorrow morning about 6 a.m. But notice some of that steadier snow along the Cascades. So we could see a quick 1 to 3 inches along the Cascades for tomorrow morning, and that could make things at least a little bit slippery. We will see some spotty rain and snow shower activity through the day on the east side and through much of Siskiyou County as well. We'll start to see showers tapering off tomorrow night and then a break in the action Thursday. There's a weak system that could graze the coast mainly Thursday night with some showers, but most inland areas looking to stay dry. Additional rainfall expected basically now through tomorrow night. We do expect most of the heavier precipitation to be along the coast and up in the coastal mountains. Fairly light rain totals further inland for most spots. And then higher elevation snow, nothing too terribly significant. Most spots a dusting up to a few inches, especially above about 4,000 feet. But some higher totals possible up at Crater Lake. And we will start to see things drying out, though, for Crater Lake on Thursday. And a little bit of snow melting going on as temperatures warm by Friday, talking highs in the Rogue Valley in the lower 60s, but this warmer weather doesn't last all that long. We'll be seeing some much colder air working in as we head into next week. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, more showers likely into your Wednesday and then generally drier later this week, especially Saturday looking mostly sunny. Northern California, the chance for some rain and snow showers Wednesday, milder temperatures and drier weather later this week into the start of the weekend. The Klamath Basin also seeing that warm up, highs in the mid 50s by Friday and Saturday. Up in the mountains, watch out for some slippery passes for tomorrow, especially in the morning. More snow on the way early next week. Some of that snow could be heavy up in the mountains. And then in the Rogue Valley, showers likely for your Wednesday. Cool temperatures, but a taste of spring with highs getting into the mid 60s by Saturday.